Today I am reviewing the STGAubron Gaming PC Bundle. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The STGAubron Gaming PC Bundle with a 24-inch Full HD monitor is designed for users who want an affordable, all-in-one desktop setup that is ready to use right out of the box. This bundle combines a capable gaming desktop, a large monitor, and essential RGB accessories, making it especially appealing for beginners, casual gamers, students, and home office users who want solid performance without the hassle of building a PC or buying separate components. Starting with the core performance, this system is powered by Intel Xeon E5 processors, often compared to older Intel Core i7 chips in terms of multi-threaded capability. These processors are well known for their reliability and ability to handle demanding workloads like multitasking, office productivity, media consumption, and light content creation. While this is not the latest consumer CPU generation, it still performs very well for everyday computing, gaming at modest settings, and running multiple applications simultaneously without slowdown. The PC comes equipped with 16 GB of RAM, which is an excellent amount for this class of system. With 16 GB installed, the desktop feels responsive during daily use, allowing you to game, browse the web, stream videos, and run background applications at the same time. This amount of memory also helps future-proof the system for users who plan to keep it for several years without needing immediate upgrades. Graphics performance is handled by the AMD Radeon RX 550 with 4 GB of dedicated video memory. This GPU is ideal for entry-level and casual gaming, offering smooth performance in popular esports and lighter AAA titles at 1080p resolution using low to medium settings. Games like Fortnite, Minecraft, Roblox, League of Legends, Valorant, GTA 5, and CS2 can run smoothly, making this system a solid choice for younger gamers or those new to PC gaming. The RX 550 also handles video playback and everyday graphical tasks very efficiently. Storage is another strong point of this bundle. The included 512 GB solid-state drive provides fast boot times, quick application launches, and responsive file access. Windows 11 Home loads quickly, and games install and open far faster compared to traditional hard drives. With 512 GB of space, there is enough room for the operating system, frequently played games, productivity software, and personal files. Users who need more storage can easily add additional drives later. One of the biggest advantages of this STGAubron bundle is that it includes a 24-inch Full HD LED monitor. The monitor features a 1920 by 1080 resolution, which is perfect for gaming, streaming, work, and school tasks. The large screen size makes games more immersive and provides plenty of workspace for productivity. The monitor also supports a good sRGB color range, delivering clear visuals, sharp text, and vibrant colors for both gaming and media consumption. An HDMI cable is included, so setup is quick and simple. The gaming PC itself features a visually appealing design, with 3 RGB fans that not only add style, but also help maintain proper airflow. The RGB lighting gives the system a modern gaming look that fits well in any setup, whether it's a bedroom, dorm room, or home office. Cooling performance is adequate for the components inside, ensuring stable operation during extended gaming or work sessions. STGAubron also includes an RGB gaming keyboard and RGB mouse, making this a true plug-and-play bundle. While these accessories are entry-level, they are perfectly suitable for casual gaming and everyday use. For beginners, this is a big bonus, as it eliminates the need to purchase additional peripherals right away. In real-world use, this system performs reliably for its intended audience. It handles daily tasks smoothly, provides enjoyable gaming performance at 1080p, and offers enough power for schoolwork, remote work, and entertainment. It is especially well-suited for users who want a complete setup without researching individual parts or worrying about compatibility. In conclusion, the STGAubron Gaming PC Bundle with a 24-inch FHD monitor is a practical and budget-friendly option for users who want a ready-to-use desktop gaming and productivity setup. It delivers solid everyday performance, smooth entry-level gaming, fast SSD storage, and an immersive full-size monitor, all in one package. For casual gamers, students, families, or anyone looking for an affordable PC bundle with great value, this STGAubron system is a smart and convenient choice.